Hey friends, welcome to the channel. Internet is endless, and because of its endlessness, you may be missing out on a lot by looking at the wrong places. In this video, I will share the best practice of surfing the web so that it brings the benefits for you. If you are new here, my name is Refat. I'm a lecturer based in Dhaka, Bangladesh. And on this channel, I share my wisdom about ways to lead a more productive life. I have recently read this blog by Joshua Becker and learned a lot about a few rules to navigate the internet intentionally. Here's what I learned. Number 1. Social media is a stream, so you have to use it accordingly. The homepage is a stream because the information never stops flowing. You have to think of social media like a river. You don't jump in a river and try to test all the water. You would never finish consuming contents on the river of social media stream too. Therefore, whenever you are on social media, jump in, take part in the conversation, and then most importantly, remember to jump out in due time. Number 2, you have to choose creation over consumption. As much of a powerful tool internet can be, it can also be a waste of time. The difference between making the best use of the internet and wasting your time is the difference between creation and consumption. It is not when you consume, but rather when you create, you bring value for yourself and your audience. So when you are on internet, provide your opinion, have your say on the topic, and help create a better world. Number 3, you need to also realize that everybody is writing fiction about themselves. We compare the size of our homes, the models of our car, the beauty of our family, the vacations we take, even the food we eat nowadays. When you see somebody's picture on Instagram of their picture-perfect life, remind yourself again that nobody is living a perfect life, and social media is only a highlight of a person's experience. In many ways, the caricature we post online about ourselves is fiction. It's only the story we want the world to see. Nobody is posting photos of themselves exhausted, sitting on a couch, eating potato chips. But everybody does it. To navigate the internet effectively, you need to also prefer websites and articles that offer real substance rather than clickbait headlines and stories. Just because you can find the information online doesn't mean you should. One of the most beautiful aspects of the internet is also the most dangerous. Literally any piece of information can be located online day or night. Anything and everything can be known whenever you want. And this reality too often pulls us away from the conversations and people right in front of us. Just because you can find that piece of information anytime you want doesn't mean you need to or even should. Sometimes it's better to stay present in the moment or let the debate die. Number 5, you need to find voices you trust on the internet. There are many incredible minds posting contents on the internet in every available form. Words, videos, photos, tweets, audio, and many more. When you find a content creator that is helpful for you and challenges you in positive ways, remember the name and the website. Write it down or subscribe to their emails. Some of my favorites are Ali Abdaal, Thomas Frank, and Matt Diavella. Find voices like them that you trust and enjoy and return to their work routinely. The fact that such amazing content can be found for free online is truly amazing. Number 6, don't argue politics with strangers on internet. If you want to increase your enjoyment of the internet and life in general, talk with your friends, sure, and that can even happen online. But once you start debating people that you don't know in real life, it becomes far too easy to make negative assumptions about the other person and their character or motivation. Talk politics with people you know and love and trust, and you will be less likely to make negative assumptions about their motives or character. Number 7, know that not every statement you disagree with is a personal attack on you. Sometimes that social media post or news report had nothing to do with you, even if you disagree with it. Not every negative statement about your day, your industry, your religion, your way of life, or your political party is a personal attack on you. And most of the time, it's just better to let it go and move on with your life. Number 8, quite obviously, you can't believe everything you see on the internet. Websites, reviews, identities, news, photos, even videos can be faked nowadays. With the internet available to everyone, almost everything on the internet can be a fake. Sometimes for fun, but sometimes by people with really bad motives. So you need to verify and then verify again before believing in information you consume. Number 9. Also, it is very important to know when to take a break. As Annie Lamott once said, almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you. If you want to intentionally navigate the internet, you also need to take time away and do more things that make you forget to check your phone. The internet is not life. I believe following these rules will increase your enjoyment of the internet considerably. Additionally, I also have a few ideas about a few productive and useful things you can do while being on the internet. Number 1, you can always learn something new. You can do it for free from YouTube itself or from different blogs, or you can learn from experts at platforms like Skillshare, link in the video description. Number 2, you can also develop your opinion and worldviews on different matters by looking at contents on your specific niche on the internet. Number 3, you can organize your online presence and update your personal and professional life. For example, you can make sure that your LinkedIn profile or your CV is updated and ready for your next opportunity. Number 4, you can pick a cool new app to use to be more productive. Like I use Notion and TickTick to organize my entire life. Links to these apps are in the video description. You can also find many other interesting apps to help you lead a productive life right in your app store. Number 5, most importantly, you can start sharing what you are learning or about your viewpoint regarding things on the internet, and you never know what might happen from the connections you will make. I really hope this video can be a guideline for you on using the internet more effectively and efficiently. If you enjoyed this video, you can show your support by pressing the like button below and subscribing to my channel. I have also made this playlist for you with tools to be more productive on the internet. So check it out. Thanks for watching and see you later.